Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we'll be decorating my spread in my Wellness Warrior Wellness Planner, and we're going to be using the OG Wellness sticker book with the Flowers sticker book. So let's see, this is the current spread. Today is the 11th, and so you've already seen this plan with me as well for the 12th through the 18th. So today we're going to decorate for the 19th through the 25th. I am trying to get ahead with my filming because we are actually going to be on vacation. And so I'm trying to film 14 videos today. Excuse me. So anyways, I'm pretty busy. Let's see. I just want to make sure that I have content for you guys. So I thought that, and by the way, I'm totally winging this. There is no preparation in this spread. I thought that I could pair some of these pretty nice pastel colors in the OG Wellness sticker book with these florals here. So we'll see what this turns out to look like. I don't know. But we're just going to go with it. And I think I have 2 pages of these flowers. So let's go ahead. I think I'm going to put some stickers on some wax paper that I may want to use. So you guys are going to get to see this whole process. So I kind of like these pretty stickers here. And I usually stray away from them because I don't like the foil. It's very hard to photograph for Instagram. But I really like those. So I may try to use some of those today. Okay, so I just had a massive sneezing fit. I hope I remember to edit that out. Alright, so anyways, I'm kind of liking, I want to try to find a vertical box, but I don't know. Yeah, there's not any in here. So I wanted to find something to layer. And so we'll be, okay, so I just had to take a little break because I had a sneezing fit. I'm really struggling to get over this whole COVID mess. Supposedly I have allergies now, like worse than my allergies before. So anyway, I was saying we are going to be on vacation this week. And so maybe I could add in a couple of these daily highlight stickers. That would be cute. And let's see what else we can find. So I definitely want to use some of these boxes, but we'll kind of fill in with those as we go. Probably should have used the rose gold. Now how about some daily highlights? Those would be pretty too. So let's grab, I only have purple. Maybe I should grab the 2 pinks because my greens actually match, but then my pinks won't, unless there's more of these. I don't think so. So we'll grab these 2. This will be a good way to, I know that I use this mainly for like food and sleep tracker, but we can definitely use this for a vacation memory type planner. So we may do that for this week. Now these are cute little headers. I may come back and use those. These are cute too. Let's try to find, I'm probably going to use some of these. We'll see. I don't know yet. Just trying to find some boxy type stickers that I can use. Kind of want to layer a couple of stickers with some of these pretty foil ones. Now this is cute. Be kinder to yourself and then let your kindness flood the world. Kind of like that too. So I may try to use both of these colored quotes in this spread somewhere. Of course, now my nose is going to run. It's just miserable. I'm sorry to all of you guys who suffer with allergies. This is totally new to me, so I don't know. They just kind of popped up out of the blue. I'm thinking I could probably use this. Now I'm choosing all these stickers and I'm probably not going to use all of them. but we're going to choose them just to choose them. All right, so let's try to start with Be Kind to Yourself, and maybe layer that with a flower. Let's see. We could start with this flower. I think I'm just going to come off the page just for the sake of, I don't want to have to cut that curve. Because this wellness planner there's a curve in the on the right page. The boxes are actually curved. All right, so that's cute. Let's cut this off. Let's see what's next. Totally winging this. And now my dog's going to try to bark in the background. We'll see if he'll behave. All right, so I need to put some daily highlights in here. So maybe we'll put this green one here on Thursday. I don't think I'm going to worry too much about whiting out. And then maybe we'll put, I don't know if I'm going to use another green one or if maybe I'll use this light pink one on the other side. Let's try that. Let's do daily highlights on Monday. That'll be our first full day. And let's try to find some cute flowers to put behind the pink. I don't think I want to use this one. So let's peel this up just a tad. And try to kind of get that underneath the corner there. Alright, so that's a pretty good start. Now, let's try to layer. So we're going to layer this. We're just going to make like a big cluster. Or are we? Am I? Actually, I think I'm going to come over here with this and layer up. I'm going to go up with it. Now, of course, you're going to be able to see that sticker behind there. But I think I'm going to leave it alone. I think I'm not gonna let it bother me. Now I do want some kind of pretty sticker to layer behind there. These are kind of big, so let's try to use this one and maybe put it under this corner. I don't know, we'll see. So far I'm liking the way it's turning out. So we'll see how I like the rest of it. Let's see, I kind of want to, yeah, that's not too bad there. Alright, and what else? Oh, I didn't even realize that I had these two on the same line. I don't know if I should move those down or if I should just find something else to go down. Why don't we do that? Let's see what we can put. Let's go to these boxes. I don't have any purple, and I don't think I'm going to go with any purple because I don't have, yeah, I don't, well, that's kind of a bluish purple, but I think we're going to stay away from the purple. So I'm not sure what color I want to go over here. There's gray over here. I could definitely do this and kind of layer these two and then put another floral. Let's white this out and see how that's going to look. You won't know it till you try it, right? I think I need to white out a little bit more of the blue. Okay. And so now let's go grab a pink flower. So I've got pink, green, green, pink. So I do need to try to use this one. Now, do I want to go underneath? I think I am going to trim the edge of this and just lay it, oops, just lay it right beside the gray box. Let's see what that's going to look like. So then we're going to end up coming over top of this pink box. So I think I'm going to white out this reflecting on. And then we also covered up just now, take note. So I'm going to get rid of that. It wouldn't be so bad if it was like you could see the whole thing, but you can't. It's only pieces of it. So we're going to just take that off. All right, now this is turning out pretty cute, I think. I did bring this over here to match this one. So do I kind of want to bring this over here? Maybe I do. Let's try it. Kind of liking just winging it. I feel like I surprise myself too. Surprise y'all, surprise myself to see what these spreads are going to actually come out looking like. Now, does that look totally silly? I think it does. Let's just get rid of that. I think I may want a box over here. Just not sure which one. Just not this one. So we're going to put that back on the wax paper. Let's try to find, all right, so there is this really pretty flower here that I would love to use somewhere. I just don't know if I have anywhere to use it. So I may not use it. I could, no. Oh, there's some little pink flowers. Okay, so I just had an idea. So I could put this box up here. And we're going to stagger it between Tuesday and Wednesday. I think I'm going to white out that line behind there. Then I've got some smaller pink flowers that, I think I just used all my tape. Yep. So I've got some smaller pink flowers that I can pair with this teal box. Just got to find my white outs. Okay. So we'll get rid of this line. And then see if we can't pair some of these smaller pink florals. Like, there's only a couple, but there's this little teeny tiny one here. And then there's this bigger one here. So we could put the two of them together and then cut off the edge and just line them with the box. See how that's going to look. Or should I go down here? I think I'll go down. Yeah, that's cute. Now, I wonder if I can find some headers for these boxes. Some headers that would kind of line up with vacation. And these Today Was stickers will work pretty good. So let's just layer this Today Was over here. Wednesday. Very crooked. Okay. And what else could we use? This one we can use over here. So it's still really crooked, yes. I don't know if I want to use this over here because I don't think I want to. Today Was. So let's see what else we can find. Don't like any of those. These Don't Forget ones are cute. So we could use this like for a memory. Don't forget. And then we just covered it. That's thankful for. So that's cute like that. Now, let's see if we can find somewhere to use this today was. So I think I want to go find a smaller box. And what color do I want to use? Do I have any of those gray? No. No purple. And I don't really want to use one of these pinks because I've got this big pink flower here. So what else can we find? Do we have a, yeah, we have a gray today was. So let's change that. Let's use the gray today was. Sorry. And let's pair it with maybe a, I don't know. Guess we're going to have to do pink. So we could go with this pink box, maybe right here, and then put the today was over top of it to kind of, we'll try to break off some of that, all the pinkness with this today was. But I kind of want to get it lined up with the bottom of the pink. Okay, so that's not too bad. That's kind of cute. Now, I might want to come in with this. No, that's still too much pink. I was thinking maybe I could come in with this. That's cute like that, huh? Okay, so let's put this back in my planner and see what we think about it. I think it turned out cute to be kind of a winged spread. So let's see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would go ahead and consider subscribing. And if you're not following me on Instagram, hopefully you'll follow me over there. And look what I just did, y'all. I put 2 quotes on the same side. Here it is in real life. I don't know if I like this, but it's pretty though. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. So anyways, I just said all my little spiel there. Hopefully, even though I did mess it up, you guys still enjoyed it. And I will see y'all on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.